Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a Google Cloud project, Gmail API-enabled, and OAuth credentials. Create an OAuth 2.0 client ID, set an appropriate redirect URI for your ML environment, and download the JSON. Once done, store client ID and client secrets securely and install Google Auth and Google API Python client. Make sure to use a virtual environment so dependencies don't conflict. This gets you ready to request consent and to fetch tokens that your model or pipeline will use for authenticated Gmail access. Next, perform the OAuth consent flow. Open the authorization URL in a browser from your ML runtime or a developer machine, sign in, and grant Gmail scopes your application needs. After consent, capture the authorization code and exchange it for access and refresh tokens using the client library. Save the refresh token in encrypted storage so your ML service can obtain new access tokens automatically. Once tokens are secured, test a basic Gmail API call to list messages and verify scopes and token validity before integrating into models. Finally, integrate authenticated Gmail calls into your ML workflow. Wrap API calls in functions that read, label, or send messages, and ensure you handle rate limits. Automate token refresh using the refresh token and implement exponential backoff for quota or transient errors. For deployment, rotate credentials periodically and restrict scopes to least privilege. If something goes wrong, first check that the redirect URI and OAuth consent settings match, confirm the refresh token exists, and inspect error codes for permission or quota issues. Those fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.